Hindi ko po alam. Not sure po kung may cash prize or what. Wala po akong idea. Wala pa po kaming meeting or what. Wala na talaga akong pera. Kaya kailangan ko na mag-live at mag-work. Hindi po lahat ng nananalo may pera. Depende yun. Kasi kapag ikaw yung main winner, of course. But for runners-up, I'm not sure po.
Kamakailan lang ay nai-report natin dito sa ating YouTube channel na hindi pa umano sumasahod itong ating kandidata dito sa Miss Grand International na si CJ Opiasa. Pero lately lang, meron pong good news dito sa ating pambato dahil nagkaroon na umano sila ng contract signing dito sa MGI organization.
All the Filipinos is listening. Why are you guys saying we're not being treated well? Oh my God, we are guys having a meeting tomorrow for the contracts and the money. Magkakaroon kami ng money. It's just that my personal money are all gone. So I have no money. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, don't make stories.
Yeah, we just want some stickers, and you guys, when you send stickers, we can turn it into money.
Yeah, and that's just our personal.
Yeah, we get dinner, lunch every day, breakfast every day.
Because everyone was like, oh, they said kawawa. Kawawa means like they're not being treated well, so they like kind of feel sad about our situation.
No, we get treated amazing. We're literally queens, guys. We get treated like queens.
Yes.
We get VIP everything.
Yes.
We go VIP. Yesterday, we have the whole floor VIP, drinks, food for free.
And our fun.
Any snacks we need, we get. We get so many.
Samantala ay kahit umano hindi nanalo itong si CJ Opiasa ay marami sa mga Pinoy ang nakapansin na kung saan ay marami sa mga taga Thailand ang nagustuhan itong si CJ Opiasa at nagkaroon na umano siya ng malawak na supporters dito matapos ang Miss Grand International 2024 na kung saan ay nagtapos itong ating kandidata bilang first runner-up. Mahal na mahal umano ng mga taga Thailand itong si CJ Opiasa. At kamakailan lang ay pinahayag naman ni CJ ang kanyang pagbabalik or homecoming dito sa ating bansa. Saad pa ni CJ ay magkakaroon umano siya ng homecoming party or welcome party dito sa Maynila at the same time doon sa kanyang hometown sa Zambales. So ito po ay nakakatuwa kasi marami sa mga Pinoy ang humahanga dito kay CJ Opiasa kasi kahit hindi niya man nasungkit ang corona ay marami pa rin siya ang pinabilib dito sa kanyang naging outstanding performance sa Miss Grand International. Kayo mga kapolitika, ano ang inyong masasabi dito sa naging journey ni CJ Opiasa at ano ang inyong personal na masasabi sa ating kandidata dito sa Miss Grand International 2024?
Oh, it's a van. I can wear my pants now. Oh wow! Oh, I got it wrong. It's not in my option. Oh, I got the belt. Want me to buy the belt, so now I got the belt. Hey, hey, hey. It fits my outfit.